get, I'm numb, I'm stupid, I'm staying. And if Cupid's got a gun, then he's shooting.
Hey, how we doing?
Or,
Oh, just hanging on in there in the fail breakdown wilderness, the desert we're in at the minute.
yeah, you don't have a runner, do you?
Oh, thanks for rubbing
I
it
just realized that. Yeah,
in. No, I don't. Let me bring the chart in here. Um,
not to scare you, but the I know I think I've touched on I track Gamma a little bit.
yeah,
Looks like we are set to start grinding towards 7450 potentially today.
okay.
So,
Spicy environment, huh?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, that's kind of how it's been the last few days. Just every minor little dip getting brought up. I don't draw a huge number of channels on my chart, but the last 4 days just been grinding, and there's barely a significant low in this whole 200 point move. They're just little blips. I'm sure you're looking at it as well. I got the 15 minute up here, and then the 4 hour on the left as usual, which is just completely parabolic. So yeah, difficult to find trades. There was nothing for me yesterday. Did you get anything yesterday?
And I haven't had anything since the Monday 7214 failed breakdown.
Mm,
So for me, it's just been holding my runner from 7214. So which now is up damn near 200 points. So I mean, I'm not really complaining in terms of obviously lack of setup is not great, but the this runner is definitely, up there already for one of the best of the year. So
mm.
it's kind of making up for it.
Yeah, nice. It just means there's not a huge amount for us to do up here. So yeah, obviously we just ground higher overnight. A little bit of a gap down off the open, but then just slowly, lazily worked our way up. So trading a good amount, 30 points above the first support down, which was 63.69. Um, didn't really, not a huge level there to begin with. There is 73.77 is kind of the first level to watch. That was the gap down low from the open last night. So you can add that to the watch list today if it's not already. Um, is that something you're eyeing at all? There, Adam did confirm it with one of his tweets. But obviously,
The 73, 77 first down in terms of a little bit of a shelf we had last evening. So that'll kind of be the first thing. Again, you got to kind of keep in mind, right, the context of everything, right?
mm-hmm.
Now, any of these failed breakdowns, just this close to the highs, like don't expect it to be, they're not the greatest quality, but obviously in this environment, if we get it and that's the best thing we get, then obviously you can give it a shot. But more so just, sizing wise, like it's not going to be one of those where it's like, okay, let me go, 3x my size on this because I haven't had a
Sure,
failed breakdown
sure.
in three days. And, it's not that type of quality. So, for me, and I think anyone else that's, let's say has been in a runner all week, and let's say, the runner now has paid you a decent bit and, you're obviously green on the week, make sure you don't turn that into red just off of starting to oversize trades up here when the context isn't that great. So,
Mm-hmm.
that's just one thing I would say on that front. But 73, 77, and then below there, 73.55, and then 73.32 below there. So that's shelf. So if we do get some sort of sell at any point today, those are those are three spots I have alerts
Yeah.
for, and I will be eyeing. I will be on the live from the open essentially till about 11 a.m. just with my charts up, and if we do get something that I'm happy to kind of walk through a little bit, what I'm seeing in real time.
Nice. Okay. Cool. Yeah, there's not much up here. Size down, like Mike says, but you still got to keep swinging the bat. You know, if you're not taking even these lower quality failed breakdowns, yeah, it could be another 2 day shutout or whatever. Um, yeah, it's been pretty sparse. I'd say month for me, to be perfectly honest. Yeah, between missing trades and then just ones that are running for multiple days. Yeah, it's been definitely been slower action. I guess this is why Adam says he prefers downtrends, right? Get a lot more
Yeah,
to do in
for
every day.
sure.
Um, so yeah, that's the plan for today. 77 first, and then the 55. 69 doesn't personally interest me at all. I think I'm just going to delete that level from my chart. But midday yesterday we did get that low at 73.55, which is something, and then the 32. There's kind of a cluster of multiple lows, and so really you want to see all of that sweep. So wait for 27 to sweep and then reclaim the 32 on that one. Potentially if we can actually back test this support at 73.12, which was sort of that latest breakout point in the process, and then recover all that'll be decent. But yeah, it's getting hard to imagine a flush that large at this point. losing phase, but we'll see. Just keep staying patient and stick to the process. Okay, so look out for Mayank on the live stream today. Come with your questions, and other than that, let's go see what the open brings. Hopefully, some sort of sell, but I don't know what it's going to take at this point. Armageddon, I think. Yeah.
Keep holding them runners if you have it.
Yeah.
That's what I'll say. If you have them, enjoy holding the runner. And if you don't, again, no need to feel FOMO. I know it's gonna feel like if I say, wait for the next setup, it's gonna feel like I'm lying because we haven't had it in a while. But it will come. Just have to be a little extra patient for it. Just with the environment we're in. So,
Yeah.
if you're feeling FOMO, I don't know, maybe look at your long-term portfolio a little bit. That might bring you a smile.
Good idea. I'm gonna check the 401, or the IRA rather. Alrighty. Cool. Thanks, Mike. We'll see you guys in the chat and on the live stream. Bye for now.